Hello everyone. How are you everyone? I'm audible, loud and clear. Good evening everyone. How are you guys? I hope everyone is doing well. Guys, please, for now, you can just unmute your mics. That would be great. Please unmute your mics, everyone. Good evening, everyone. Good evening.
Good evening.
Please unmute your mics, everyone. Adityan, Dhruv, please unmute.
Yes, sir.
Everyone is there, right? Okay, that's perfect. That's perfect. So now, guys, everyone, please mute your mics. Now, please mute your mics, everyone. I just wanted to see that everyone is there in or not, right? That's why I asked to unmute. Now, mute, please, quickly. Thus, we can start this wonderful session. Everyone, please mute your mics now. There's a lot of voice coming. There should be my voice only, right? Abdul Aziz, please mute your mic. Okay, so hi everyone. I am Deepak Shangi and I am senior mathematics expert at Ask IITians. And in today's webinar session, we are actually going to discuss something that is very unique that we haven't heard, even I haven't heard until I did that kind of research. Okay, and then I got to know that these kind of things actually
all over
exist.
internet up.
Okay, so please guys, mute your mics, please. It's a humble request. Please everyone mute your mics. Please mute your mics, everyone. Okay, so basically there are some exams about which a lot of people don't know about. There are some colleges whose packages are very more as compared to the IIT packages, but still about those colleges we don't know, right? I think I need to do that. I'm feeling the same. Actually, I was thinking I will give some, things to my audience that they can also speak when they want to ask the doubt, but I think I need to mute all of them, right? Yes, so fine. Absolutely. I did that. No problem, guys. No problem. Okay, so let's start then. Okay, so just tell me one thing. I just want to know a few questions from your end. How many of you are there in today's session which are quite interested in going the research field? Can you just quickly write in the chat box? How many of you are there? They are pretty much interested in going in the research field. Okay, Rishit, Arohi, Shad, Dhruv, Vedang, Adityan, Zena, okay, Smriti, Dheer, Shreya, Abhinav, Rishit, Arushi. There are a lot of people. Specifically machine learning. Okay, Vedang, then we have something for you definitely. Okay, not for engineering. Okay, no problem. So guys, yes, first of all, the people who wants to go for research, okay, we have a lot of content for them. Okay, there's a lot of things that you might don't know right now about the research colleges in India. Okay, so today you will definitely get to know about those things. Okay. Okay, how many of you are there which are pretty much interested about computer science engineering? That, I want to go in computer science engineering. Okay, I can see a lot of there in the same way. Okay, nice. And the third one, there is one more genre of the people. They are not interested in any of them. They are interested in money, right? So how many of you are there who are just interested in the money? That I don't care. I either whatever kind of engineering I'll do, but I just want to earn a lot of money. That's it. I can see. I think most of the people are like that only, right? CS equal to money. Actually, that's true. That's actually true. Okay, but CS in IIT Bombay, that's the only meaning of money. No, that's not true. Okay, so let's try to understand those parts in today's webinar. Okay, so let's start, guys. Okay, and everyone, please be active in the chat box. Whatever kind of questions you have, ask. Okay, and at the end of the webinar, I'll just take 30 minutes to explain the things to you, and after the next 30 minutes, I will be keeping for question and answering round, right? So whatever doubts you will be having, we will discuss that. Okay. Okay. Janni just asked the question that what about the people who are not sure? If you are not, you will be sure after this particular webinar. Okay. Sir, can the recording for the meeting will be sent on WhatsApp? Yep, absolutely. Everyone will get the recording. Don't worry about that. Okay, let's start now. So guys, I hope you can see my screen, everyone. Everyone can see my screen, right? Perfect then. So our first exam, guys. Okay. Now what about this exam? What about this college? So if you get more than 7.5 CGPA in your final semester, you will get opportunity to be sit in direct interview to Bhabha Atomic Research Center. Now, if there is someone who don't know about what is Bhabha Atomic Research Center, guys, this is the center of excellence in India, which take care of all kind of nuclear, experiments and all of these things in India. Okay, so this college for which I'm going to discuss now is the best college for India for research. Okay, and yes, absolutely, it is better than IITs in terms of research. Okay, it works under the Department of Atomic Energy. No, CGPA 7.5 in the final year of doing your degree. So when you will be doing your degree, okay, in that final year, if you are getting your CGPA more than 7.5, you will be directly called to Bhabha Atomic Research Center for an interview round. Definitely, if you get clear your interview, you will be working there, right? Now, which exam this is and which college you will be getting, let's try to understand that in the next slide, okay? So here you go, guys. This exam is called NEST, National Entrance Screening Test. Oh, the spelling of the screening is wrong. Sorry about that. Okay, so National Entrance Screening Test. Okay, by this exam, you will get admission into two colleges. The first is known as National Institute for Science, Education and Research, NISER. This is in Odisha. And one more college, that is for Center for Excellence in Basic Science. That's called UMDAECEBS. That's in Mumbai. Okay, so guys, this exam, when you can write the exam, first of all, let's try to talk about that. You will be writing the exam when you will be in 12th. Right now you are in 12th, so you can write. And after completing 12th also you can write. So you have 2 attempts for that. Now, the best thing for the people who are right now in 12th standard, the best thing for the people who are right now in 12th standard, that the form of this exam is not out yet. Okay, the form will be out in the month of May or March, probably March, after March, in fact. Okay, so you need to be just, look at the site of this. Though definitely at Ask IITians, we always post all the updates about all the exams on the WhatsApp group. We'll post about this as well on the WhatsApp group, right? But still, you need to check the site. Okay, fine, everyone. Okay, now let's try to understand what is the pattern of the test. Okay, that is actually a very important thing to know. So the pattern of the test is very easy. Okay, the first paper would be a general studies paper. General studies, I will not say. It would be general science, I would say. Okay, in this 30 questions would be there. Okay, and the second paper would be of 4 subjects. Now, please pay attention. It's a very important point now. 4 subject PCMB, but out of 4, you can pick any 3. So definitely, if you are a math student, you will pick PCM. If you are a biology student, you will pick PCB, right? Okay. The general ability paper is of 30 marks, and the main paper, that's your paper 2, will be of 150 marks. Okay. Getting everyone? The paper 1 would be of 30 marks, paper 2 would be of 150 marks, right? And by this college, which degree you will be getting? You will be getting a degree, MSc degree of 5 years. Basically, you will be doing here 5-year MSc course in sciences. Okay. Yeah, there is one more thing about this exam. That is the criteria. We need to maintain a particular criteria to sit in the exam. And I feel every one of you will be definitely, will be in that criteria. That criteria is very simple. You need to score more than 60% in your 12th exam. Okay. Yeah, this is absolutely, this is BSc plus MSc and integrated course of 5 years. Absolutely. Getting about this exam, everyone? So guys, please pay attention on one thing. Right now, if you are in 12th grade, the form of the exam are going to live soon. So you have to visit the website. Though we will post the update about the exam, but still you need to think about it. You need to check this websites and all, right? Now, let's come to the seats. So earlier the seats were actually less. Right now the seats has been increased. So if I talk about the total seats in both the colleges, it would be around 150. Okay, earlier till 2007-8, the seats were only 60. But important thing is that most important thing actually is that even the seats are very less. But only a few people knows about it. Only a few. Okay, so that's the important point. I hope that's clear to everyone about this exam. Tell me, please. Okay, should I move forward then? Is NEST, okay, I'm looking at the chat box as well. At the same time, everyone is cleared about it. Okay, let's move forward. Now, guys, the second exam. Now, I am not talking about the exam, first of all. Okay, what's this UMDAE CBC? Okay. This is the name of the college. Adityan. Definitely, Mustafa, we can do that, right? Okay. Now, guys, the second exam and the second college. Okay, we'll talk about that later on. Right now, let's try to understand the, the factor that draw our attention towards the exam. Look at this package. Okay, the maximum package is 46 lakh. That's not a big deal. In IIT's package is 1 crore as well, but the average package is 26 lakh. Just name one IIT whose average package is 26 lakh. Name one. The minimum package is 10 lakh. Can you believe that? The minimum package is 10 lakh. And this is the college in which Apple comes for taking the student in the placement groups, right? Look at the companies that comes over here. Okay, Amazon, Adobe, Google, IBM, Infosys, Samsung, you name the company, you name it, and it will come to this college. Okay. And an important thing, to get admission into this college, you don't need to write IIT JEE exam. You can take that. Okay, you can go this college. You can go to this college. You can go to this college with your IIT exam as well, but without even IIT exam also, you can go to this college, right? Okay, which college? Let's see. This college is, guys, Triple IT Hyderabad. I hope some of the people definitely know about this college, at least heard about it, right? Everyone heard about it, right? Okay. If you are an actual computer geek, right? If you want to really study a lot about computers, a lot about machine learning, okay, not about computers only, I would say machine learning, AI, then this is the best college for you. But the important thing over here is that we can go to this college without even writing JEE exam. Okay. So what is the exam then we need to write? We need to write the exam called UGEE. That's called undergraduate entrance exam. What we call it? Undergraduate entrance exam. Now, first of all, let's try to understand the things about this exam. First thing, if right now you are in 12th grade, the form of this exam will be available in the month of Feb. So don't forget to, fill the form of this exam, right? Okay. Okay. We are talking about everything. Don't worry. We are talking about difficulty level, syllabus, everything we are talking about, right? Level of difficulty. Okay. Let's discuss the level of difficulty first of all. Guys, its level of difficulty as compared to JEE Main and JEE Advanced is quite low. It's knowledge, does this exam needs computer science knowledge to write the exam? No, it doesn't need that. You need to be well in your subject, that is PCM. Questions would be asked from these, and yes, definitely there would be some questions from computer science as well. Okay, there would be some question from computer science as well, but not a lot, right? Criteria, बहुत hard. Okay. मैं IIT crack करूंगा. You should crack IIT definitely. Okay. Will there be negative marking? Yes, there is a negative marking in this exam. Paper would be like advanced type in terms of the pattern. MCQ question would be there. Integer question would be there. Maybe match the column would be there, but that's not a problem, right? Difficulty is lesser than advanced. First thing. Second thing, not a lot of people knows about this exam. Not a lot of people will be writing the exam. Okay. And even if people are writing the exam, the people who are quite interested in CSC, you have the competition with them only, not with the others who are. Abhi, what happens is that right now, let's say I'm preparing for, I am just preparing for IIT, right? I'll fill the form. I don't know which branch I have to take. I'll just fill the form. I'll increase the competition, and then at the end, I'll fill the form. I'll fill the branch according to whatever I'll feel, right? Here, the people who are going to fill this form would be the people who actually wants to take CSE, right? Okay. What's the max difficulty with comparison with CBSE board? It's a bit hard then as compared to CBSE board. NRIs can attend, absolutely they can attend. Sir, can give this exam from outside India. That's the problem about the center. We need to see the center of this exam, right? So as far as the information so far provided, this exam is happening only in India so far, but for this year, the things could get changed, right? Yes, it's easier than advanced, not easy. I'm using easier. You can understand now. Okay. Now, okay, the next thing is the criteria. Someone asked about the criteria, right? So criteria is very simple. PCM, your mark should be more than 60%. That's the only criteria. And this is the college Triple IT Hyderabad, which gives 100%, absolute 100% placement for CSC. Okay, guys, don't worry. This slide will be shared with you. Don't worry about that. Okay. We'll put the link of the slide. We'll just share the slide on Facebook. We'll share it on Instagram page. We'll share it on YouTube. Not slide, this video, and you will get the slide on your groups as well. Okay, don't worry about that. Everyone will get that. 100% placement. Yeah, I'm not lying. I am not endorsing the college, right? I'm just telling you the fact. Yes, absolutely. People are successful. Okay. PCM, absolutely. PCM. It's for PCM. Sir, does this college have aeronautical engineering? No. It doesn't have aeronautical. We will discuss about aeronautics as well. Don't worry about that. Okay. Let's move forward then. Everyone, you understood about this exam? Okay. And again, I'm saying one more thing, that the form of this exam is not out yet. Okay. So please, everyone who is right now in 12th standard, visit the site regularly, and whenever the form will be out, please fill the form. Okay. And others who are right now in 11th grade, you are preparing for IIT exam, don't forget to fill this form, write into it in your wish list, and do check out the papers of this as well. Okay. Got everyone? Let's move. Yes, you will get the webinar recording as well. Don't worry. Absolutely. Triple ITs are majorly for CS and IT. Paper pattern. Manager, I told you that the paper pattern is basically almost as advanced. Multiple choice question would be there. Okay. Then some integer type question would also be there. Match the columns might come. Not sure. Okay. Sometime it's there, sometime it's not there. It's for PCB also. Yep. What is the website for more information? Okay, for just need to write, you just visit UGEE. You write on Google UGEE exam, you'll get all the information. Okay. Okay, everyone. Let's move forward now. When the exam usually held, it would be in the month of May, probably May or June. Definitely it will not, coincide with your JEE exam or your board exam. It would be after that. Okay, Obid. Machine learning as well as CS, good for both of them. Adityan. Okay, let's move, guys. Should I move now? You are a NEET student. Oh, so for NEET student, we need to see some exam then. We'll do something for a NEET student as well, don't worry, okay? Let's move forward. So guys, now I am coming to the other exam, and that exam is, without giving IIT JEE, you can take admission into IIT Bombay, IIT Guwahati, and IIT Hyderabad, right? And is it actually true? Yup, it's true. Without giving JEE exam, we will be taking admission in IIT Bombay, IIT Guwahati, and IIT Hyderabad. Okay, and there are other colleges as well. But wait. Abhi, wait. Just first understand what kind of exam it is. What are the things? Yep, absolutely. By doing this, you will be getting a degree of bachelor's in design. Okay. Now wait. So is this bachelor's in design have scope? You are doing bachelor's in design from IIT Bombay, IIT Guwahati. Definitely there is a scope, right? Why are thinking about it even? Okay. Now, first and foremost important thing, that all stream people can write the exam. So someone just said, sir, I am from biology. What about me? You can write this exam if you are quite interested in design. Okay. Biology people, why biology? Arts people can even write this exam. Okay. Arts people can even write this exam. Better I'll give JEE. Absolutely. Look, now it depends, Rahul. Okay. Because what happens is that if you are feeling that I want to go to IIT, but I want to go for CS or mechanical or something else, then definitely you should write JEE exam. Okay. IIT Bombay CSE without giving JEE. Oh, so right now you cannot. Sorry about that. But you can go to IIT JEE without giving IIT JEE in IIT Bombay by writing UCEED exam. Okay. So guys, now let's come to the point. As I said that all STEAM people can write this exam first of all. Okay, what about the exam pattern? Exam pattern is very simple. Okay, there would be some question from your general ability. Okay, some question would be from design. There would be 2 attempts through. Dekho, abhi I'll tell you one thing, guys. If you are quite interested in design and all of these things, right? Okay, this is something that opens the doors. Now, Definitely, there are some students right now who are in 11th and 12th grade. They've already chosen PCM and they are quite concentrated about going to IITs and all on the other institute or premium institutes. Okay, but the other who are in 8th, 9th, and 10th, they can think about it that okay, there is a exam by which you can take admission to IITs. Okay, and you can pursue the degree of design, right? Okay, what type of design? Machine design, basically. Rishit, it's going to be machine design. So it is an engineering only. Okay, mechanical design, not architectural, mechanical design. So it is an engineering kind of stuff only. It's not that you are doing something else, other kind of design, right? It's not BArch. It's not bachelor in architecture. That degree is called BArch, bachelor's in architecture. It is BDS, okay? Bachelor's in design. That's different, okay? Got it? Is it clear to everyone? If you want more information about this, you can do one thing. You can write www.uc.itb.ac.in. Fashion designing. You have an exam for that as well. That's called NIFT. You can go to NIFT for that, Vignesh. National Institute for Fashion Technology. Okay. Please share link in chat box. Okay, I'll share it. Don't worry about that. Sir, can you put the link in the chat box? Okay, I'll ask someone from my team to put the link in the chat box, right? Yes, you can Google it actually. No, don't worry about that. We'll put the links, okay? We'll put the links. We'll put all the links of all the exams once we'll be sharing this, this PPT with you, okay? Don't worry about that. UGEE quota for NRIs. For that we need to see, because in the till the last year there was a quota, but I think it's been not there now, but we need to see about that. Okay, let's move forward, guys. Okay, now let's come to the next point. Okay, how many of you heard about KVPY exam? Tell me. Dhruv, there is no requirement. You just need to be in 12th standard. That's it. Everyone heard about KVPY, right? Okay. And why we write the KVPY exam? Himanshu sir told us. Thanks for Himanshu sir. Absolutely. Oh, there was a notification from Ask IITians. I have sent that notification. Now I'll tell you. Okay, know about it. IISc, great. Research, okay, fine. Apart from that, anyone knows about it? Okay, what is IISc, by the way?
It started in the
Tell me. I think someone just, okay, let me mute again. Indian Institute of Science, well done. Okay, and how many of you knows about IISER? IISER? What is IISER? What is IISER, guys? What's that R? Yeah, I'm asking that. Indian Institute of Science, Education and Research, right? That is IISER. Now look, I'm going to tell you something very, very important information. Please everyone pay attention, right? So when you want to take admission into IISER, there are 7 IISER in India. Okay. Mohali, Pune, Tiruvananthapuram, others I don't know. I don't remember actually, but there are 7. Okay. Now what happens is that when you want to go to IISERs, right? There are 3 ways of going to IISER. The first way is called KPY exam. That everyone knows about that, right? Behrampur, Hyderabad. Thanks, Aror Adityan. The first way is you can go to IISER by writing the exam called KPY, and every one of us knows about that. And every one of us also knows that this exam is quite difficult exam, right? Okay. And the competition is also very high. And, only a few people go to that, IISERs by writing KPY, right? KVPY is Kishore Vaigyanik Protsahan Yojana. It's V. Okay. V for velocity. Fine. Okay. Now there is one more way to going to the IISERs. That way is if you write IITJ exam. Okay. In IITJ exam, if you got good marks, I'll say that your rank is around 7,000 or 8,000. You can take admission to IISERs. That's the second way. Now look, what happens is that let's say if 100 people are entering to IISERs. Okay. So 25 seats are reserved for KEPY. 25 are reserved for KEPY. Sir, slides, please. Yes, there is no slide for this. Okay, I'm explaining this. Okay, if you have a doubt, ask me. I'll explain. Fine, don't worry. So 25 will get admission. 25 will get admission through IISER if they are 100%. Okay, and 25 will get admission through IIT JEE Advanced exam. 25 through KEPY, 25 through IIT JEE Advanced. 50 are still remaining. 50 are still remaining, right? Got it now? 100 people are taking admission, 25 from KEPY, 25 from JEE Advanced exam, but now 50 are remaining. The problem is that a lot of people don't even know that where from these 50 people come. Okay, so let me explain you now from which exam these 50 people come, guys. This exam will call IAT. Okay, yeah, that's our advantage, absolutely. This exam is called IAT. That's called IISER aptitude test. That's called IISER aptitude test. Now let me explain about this, right? First of all, guys, why this exam is there, right? So this exam is actually for state board and central board toppers in the board exams. Which toppers I'm talking about actually? Dekho, it's very simple that in India we have different boards. Okay, Tamil Nadu board, Rajasthan board, UP board. Our boards are there for your CBSE, right? Sorry, for your 12th grade exams, right? Okay, so what they do is that out of all the boards, they will pick top 20%. Now from CBSE also, they will pick 20%. Okay, top 20%. Now, okay, now it could be but it could be a problem, sir. 20% is very much, isn't it? No, it's not very much. Don't worry about that, because you know the cutoff or of CBSE last year was 88%. So if you are getting more than 88% in CBSE 12th board, you can give IAT. Now tell me, how many of you feel you can get 88%? That's not a big deal to get. How many of you feel about that? I think 88% is nowadays is not a big deal to get in CBSE 12th board examination. Absolutely not, right? You can get it. Okay. So if you got that percentage of you are in top 20, sorry, then you can write IAT. Okay. IAT, as I told you, it's IISER aptitude test. Fine. Okay. Now what happened in that test? Let's start to understand that. First of all, what is the paper of this SCB? The paper is divided into 4 parts: physics, chemistry, mathematics, and biology. Okay, 15 questions from physics, 15 from chemistry, 15 from maths, and 15 from biology. There is a harsh negative marking over here. If you got plus, it's +3. If you got minus, it's -1. 33% is almost negative marking. It's actually harsh. Okay, but level of difficulty is less than KEPY. And second thing, as I told you, a lot of people are not aware about it, right? That's the good thing. Okay, fine. And which degree we'll get from here? We'll get the degree of 4 years BS. Okay. Aditya, we will be continuing it for the next 10-15 minutes. Okay. Okay. Compared to JEE, it's less difficult. When will we write KEPY exam? Guys, you can write KEPY exam when you are in 11th standard or you are in 12th standard, right? No. We will not say 30% is reservation for CBSE and ICSE. It's not reservation. It's like that. The top 20% is people. The top 20% is of CBSE. The top 20% is of RBSC. The top 20% is of UP board. All of them can give the exam. Now the people who will give the exam, out of which they will select for according to their rank in the exam. Okay. Got it? Absolutely, Piyush. That's great thing. Yes, bachelor in science. Very good question, Harshit. Guys, just a minute. अब मैं एक बहुत सिंपल सी बात बताता हूँ. Let me explain a very basic thing. Let's say I am a student of biology. Okay, I am a student of biology. Fine. So when I want to write this IAT exam or this aptitude test, I will be in a trouble a bit, right? Because I'll feel that I don't know maths. It's gonna be difficult for me. True. On the other hand, let's say if I am a other student who is studying maths, then for me, biology is going to be a problem, right? So guys, for everyone, there is a problem. Now, if 4 subjects are coming, then for PCM student, it's a problem. For PCB student, it's a problem. Then why you are worried? Okay. In competitive exam, what matters is competition. It doesn't matter who is getting the highest marks. What matters is that you need to be in the top scorers, right? PCMB has advantage. Let me come to that point now. Guys, if someone is taking PCMB okay, and he or she is doing very well in all the four subjects, they are already at an advantage. Think about it. It's not easy to take PCMB and doing well in all the four. Think about it now. If someone is PCMB and doing very good, like let's say in maths, you are getting out of 100, you are getting 90, and he's also getting 90 in the maths, and in biology also he's getting 90, then you need to understand he is quite intelligent as compared to you, right? Okay. So that's why. So basically, I'll tell you one thing. If you ask me that, sir, should we go for PCB or PCM or both of them? I will not say either should go for PCM or PCB. It's up to you. Okay. Definitely, if you really want to counsel, we can discuss about that. But taking PCMB would not be a great choice until you are a very intelligent kid. Because think about it. For IIT you need to work very hard. Okay, for JE, for NEET, you need to work very hard. Now, very hard for both of them. You cannot work that hard now. Okay, this is for everyone. Gulf people can write the exam. The only problem would be about the exam center. It's gonna be in India. Okay, tentative exam dates about this. May, fourth week of May. Fourth week of May. I told you through 88 percentage was the cutoff last year. 88 percentage. You need to get 88 percentage. Okay. No. I am saying that's the date of there's a date of form. Sorry, not the exam date. Sorry. I misunderstood it. Yeah, the date when the form will be released. Okay, exam date. As I told you, dekho, every body that is conducting any exam, they are quite intelligent, right? They will not create that kind of mess. Okay, until they are not very intelligent, but they are intelligent, right? So they will not create that kind of mess. Okay, they will definitely keep the exam not colliding with your board exam, right? Sir, what was the degree we get from ISCR? You get BS, Bachelor in Science. Arey, fourth attempt, but that's four attempt, Abhinav. Okay, that's why. Guys, wait. Now, definitely there is a question. There is a question mark on all the exams. That, sir, generally exams are happening in India, conducting in India. How can a student who is in foreign country, they can write the exam? So for that, I am telling you, all of the a lot of exams haven't released their form yet, right? Whatever I've explained so far, they haven't released their form yet, right? Okay. So once they will release their form, okay, then you will only get to know in this next year they are providing the centers in other countries or not. Okay, fine. How many attempts for JE? This time you are four attempts now. Feb, March, April, May. Absolutely, Hamlata. IISCR is always a good option for all the things. No. JE exam will not get postponed. Yes, Saket, absolutely. It's actually graduation, na? Bachelor in Science. It's 4-year graduation only. Okay, let's move, guys. Okay, now the last but not the least for which we are going to talk about is a very I'll say it's an underdog. Okay, it's an underdog. A lot of people don't even know about this college or about this university. Okay, so let's try to understand first of all some stats. The stats is average CTC. Yes, Saket. Average CTC is 19.96 lakh per annum. Now again, I'm asking you the question, name the IIT whose average CTC is that much. CTC is your final package with including all the taxes and all of these things. This is actually a good, this is Jadavpur University. I'll tell you one thing. जादवपुर यूनिवर्सिटी का ऐसा लगता है कि ना, आई कैन स्पीक हिंदी राइट, थोड़ा मैं इसमें वो हो रहा हूँ ना, नाम जादवपुर है तो आई वांट टू स्पीक इन हिंदी. जादवपुर यूनिवर्सिटी का नाम देख के लगता है कि जादवपुर यूनिवर्सिटी, सीरियसली ये कैसा अच्छा कॉलेज हो सकता है जादवपुर, मतलब बहुत नाम इसका वैसा साउंड कर रहा है, राइट? है ना, करता है ना. But actually this is a very good college, guys. Okay, its name is Desi, but it's a great college, I'll say. It's in Calcutta. Okay, now Chandubhai Institute of Technology. no, it's not Chandubhai, but so first of all, let's try to understand that, which देखो अभी जादवपुर यूनिवर्सिटी में we want to go, okay, but which exam we need to write, we need to check that, right? So the exam that you need to write is called WBJEE, okay, West Bengal Joint Entrance Exam. Okay, this paper is actually a very easy paper. Yep. Okay, centers would be in Bengal only. Yep. वेरी इजी, आई एम टेलिंग यू, बहुत मतलब एक्सट्रीम इजी, तुम सोच नहीं सकते इतना easy. ये बोर्ड का पेपर आता है इसके अंदर. Yep, you have seen the WBJEE question in the module, right? State level exercise, absolutely, that's correct. Okay, इसका जो फॉर्म है, the form would be again, इसका फॉर्म आएगा मई के फर्स्ट वीक में. Okay, you get the form. No, you don't need domicile. You don't need domicile. You can write. Even if you are from, you are from Maharashtra, you are from Kerala, you are from Tamil Nadu, you are from Rajasthan, you are from UP. You can write this exam. You can get the admission. Okay. WBJEE. So Shashwat. WBJEE. लिखा भी है. You can see on the screen, right? West Bengal Joint Entrance Exam. Sir, when will we write this exam? This would be conducted in the month of June probably. हाँ, definitely we need to go for West Bengal. College भी West Bengal में ही है, Calcutta में ही है. NRS can write this. This is the stats that what I'm saying is for your CSE only. At which grade? 12th grade, absolutely. The website of Jadavpur University isn't loading for me. Don't worry, it will load. Maybe there may be some technical glitch, or maybe due to our webinar, a lot of people are searching for it, right? So that could be an issue. ज्यादा उस पे मतलब समझ रहे हो ना तुम? More traffic on the server. Requirement? No, not as such requirement. Okay. Minimum CTC. देखो minimum CTC इसका CSC का बता रहा हूं मैं. CSC का minimum CTC is around 10. Again, CSC का मतलब again if you want to go for CSC ना, then Jadavpur University is something for which you can look. अच्छा एक बात और. The fees of Jadavpur University, is very less as compared to IITs. Very less actually. Its site is working. Mr. Atin is saying site is working. Thanks Atin for that. Getting it, everyone? Few thousands of rupees, absolutely correct. देखो IIT की फीस right now if I talk about per semester fees is about 50,000. Okay, और the fees of Jadavpur University is 11,000 rupees. एक बार सोच के देखना, फिर से मैं बोल रहा हूँ ना, एक बार जमीन खिसक सकती है पैरों के नीचे, एक बार फिर से सोचना. IIT की फीस is 50,000 per semester. There are 8 semester. Okay, fees is 4 lakh. Okay, और जादवपुर यूनिवर्सिटी की सीट is 11,000 rupees for completing the degree. So now you can see what's good for like machine learning something. 4 years, absolutely 4. It will give you the degree of CSE only, na? Bachelor's in Computer Science Engineering. It's a deemed university. Absolutely. The quality of education is as good as IITs. That's why, these kind of packages are there. Just think about it. Why the other people will come to hire you if your quality of education is not good? CSC would be the best, I would say. CSC would be the best. Fees for NRIs in IIT and Jadav. In IITs, the fees of NRIs is almost double or triple as compared to normal fees. So I just told you normal fees, right? In Jadavpur also, let's say if it is double or triple, why does it matters? 11,000 ka double triple will not be a lot, right? I told you about the campus selection only. You need to write the exam of WBJEE. Engineering, guys, engineering. In this college, you will go for engineering. Engineering ke liye, I am telling you, okay, BSc is not that good. You should prefer engineering over here, right? You will get the degree of your BTech only, Bachelor's in Technology in Computer Science and Engineering. CTC को बोलते हैं total package. Okay, so it includes all the things. So अब इसमें tax, there would be some tax deduction as well. There would be other deduction as well, right? Okay. WBJEE includes your physics, chemistry, and mathematics. Maths का हाँ मैं इसका बताया था एक बार. The weightage of maths would be highest. Okay, 75 would be from maths. 75 would be from maths. Question number 75 from maths. 40 physics and 40 chemistry. Total paper would be of 200 marks. Okay. Abubkar, yeah. Even if the fees for NRIs is, let's say, a bit more, why it matters a lot, man? It's fine now. हाँ, पेपर का डिफिकल्टी लेवल इज ऑलमोस्ट द बोर्ड लेवल, राइट? बोर्ड का लेवल आता है. बट यस, एब्सोल्युटली, वी विल गो टू दिस यूनिवर्सिटी फॉर CSC. दैट वुड बी द बेस्ट चॉइस. How much students write this on average WBJEE? I would say less than 50,000. Not a lot of people write this exam. Especially, look, West Bengal people will write this exam definitely. But now if I'm talking about the competition, right? Competition is not that great, first of all. And a lot of people don't even know about Jadavpur University. That's the thing. Yes, absolutely right, Abubkar. Computer science engineering is best at this college. How much percentage needed to enter? Cutoff you're talking about. Cutoff is a very varying, because it depends on the, first of all, you are in you are a West Bengal person or not, because there is a particular reservation for them. So that's why it's a variable. This college is greatest of all the time. It should. You'll get all the facilities. Don't worry about that. Okay. So guys, I hope in today's sir, homestay reservation almost negligible for each states. Almost negligible. Some is there, but Abhinav. How many seats are there annually? Annual seats we need to confirm once. Okay, so I'll just someone just put the link of this. Someone already put it. Okay, you can just check over there about the seats, guys. It's not for PCB. Yep, it's for PCM only. Where can we get the access to recording of this seminar? You'll get the access of the recording on the Facebook page, and you will also get, if you are Ask IIT student, we'll put the recording in the WhatsApp groups. Campus center will not be there. Don't worry about that. Quota is not much for NRIs in this college. Yes. Someone just asked a query about the BITSET exam. Okay. So BITSET is basically Birla Institute of Technology. Okay. Scholastic aptitude test. And BITSET is also a very good college in India. Okay. So guys, absolutely, you should write the BITSET exam. BITSET form is not out yet. So once the BITSET form would be out, we'll definitely put about the form on the WhatsApp groups. Okay. And for BITSET, if I talk about the best college, so the best college for BITSET is BITS Pilani. Okay. Then BITS Hyderabad is also there, and BITS Goa is also there. But yeah, BITS Pilani is at the top. Okay. BITSET exam, you need to write English, you need to write maths, you need to write chemistry, you need to write physics. Okay. The fee for BITS Pilani is like more than almost as same as IIT's fees. No. The BITS Dubai is also there. I'm not saying that. I'm talking about the best BITS. That's a Pilani. Logical reasoning absolutely is there. Sir, what if I want to go to social media domain like YouTube? You want to work at YouTube, or you want to become a creator at YouTube, Rahul? Look. Abubkar, if you are saying that IIT students are having a greater demand, I wouldn't say it's always true. It actually depends. Okay. I'll just tell you one thing, that Apple is not visiting IITs nowadays. It's coming to triple ITs. Okay. So we cannot say, now let's say if someone wants to hire some people for research work, right? They will not go for IITs. Rather than they will go for ISCRs. Okay. They will go for NISCR, NSIR. Okay. They'll go for these colleges. You want to become a YouTube creator. So for that, I think we need to take another webinar, right? But guys, so I hope you understood everything in this webinar. Now, please let me know. Just put in the chat box if you want more information about some particular college. Okay. So we will have another webinar based on that. Okay. And if you want some information about something else, okay, you can put in the chat box quickly. So whatever kind of webinars or whatever kind of information you want, we can make a lot of videos on that. So name a college for PCB. Okay, so someone wants a webinar for PCB as well. Absolutely, we'll do that. No problem with that. Difference between BITS and IIT. Okay, we'll make a video for BITS. Okay, NEET. Okay, NEET. There are videos on NEET already, but I'll still ask. Okay, you have a webinar of Miss Anjali. That would be, I think, it's tomorrow or maybe day after tomorrow. She would be explaining a lot of things about NEET. So if you are a PCB student, please join her webinar. Okay, we need specific information about triple ITs. Okay. Okay, sir, BS and BTech degrees will be considered same. No, they are not considered same. Computer and software has most scope. Absolutely true. Right now, it's absolutely true. Which thing of engineering do you think has most scope in future? Right now, it's computer science engineering. We need to, okay, foreign universities, we can make a video on that. Okay, fine. Okay, guys, so basically I think the team is noting down all the points and there's a lot of demand for the videos. So guys, don't worry about that. We'll make the videos, whatever content you want. Okay, don't worry, we'll do that definitely. No, Shah, it actually depends by which college you are doing B or BTech. Sir, any other unknown college like Jadavpur University? Yeah, there are more. We'll make a video on unknown colleges only. Okay, about them only a few people knows. Okay, we'll make it. That's a promise from my end. Okay, I think I should note down in my notebook. Just a second. Jadavpur University is best for software engineering. Absolutely. So we need to make a video for the colleges about which people don't know. Okay, fine.
And we need more info on triple IIT.
Triple IT, we need more info. Okay, fine. And we need astrophysics. Okay, JNTU, we need info. We need info for foreign in universities as well. Guys, for foreign university and about the SAT exam, we'll be definitely conducting a webinar probably next week or maybe next to next week, right? I will be definitely coming with a video about SATs. Okay, that's for sure.
Sir, there is a big demand or big call about the Doon University or Doon College. How can you describe, sir?
Doon College. Okay, fine. I'll make the point about the Doon College as well. Bits definitely. देखो bits के बारे में every information like exam, then placement, then what was the cutoff, okay, and what is the life at Bits Pilani. We'll make a short video on that. Okay, don't worry about that. Guys, as I'm saying again that if you want to go in a medical college, right? Okay, for NEET and all of these things, probably tomorrow or the day after tomorrow, there is a session of Miss Anjali. She will be explaining about that. So please join her webinar. Okay. All the information about the medical colleges will be given by her.
Sir, what about robotical engineering and artificial intelligence?
AI. Okay, fine. So for AI and robotics, right now, if I talk about robotics, the best institute in India, it's IIT Kanpur. That's the best institute in India for robotics. Now, how to go for robotics over there? Definitely, we need to write the JEE exam for that. And in reaching IIT Kanpur for robotics, your rank should be around 3,000 to 4,000. Yes, definitely. We'll keep the webinar at 5 to 6 probably. Okay. Aeronautical IIT, absolutely correct. Sir, unknown yet best college in Tamil Nadu. Okay, we want a video especially for Tamil Nadu colleges. Okay. We will definitely do that. For that, I think more research is needed because Tamil Nadu colleges is a very specific zone you are saying. Okay. NRIs, yeah, NRIs, I already told you now that for SAT, we'll be preparing a video. Okay. We are already working on that. So we are preparing the list of all the best colleges for SAT and what kind of packages they are providing, how to get to the colleges. Apart from SAT, is there any other interviews needed? Everything about that. In Mumbai for CS, it's IIT Bombay. Okay. Well, guys, I think I need to say bye-bye to you now because I have a session at 6 o'clock. I'm really sorry about that. Okay. In India, no. SAT is not accepted now. Sorry about that. SAT is there. Yep. SAT is there for the foreign colleges. Absolutely, it's there. Okay. Okay, everyone. I hope you enjoyed this webinar. Okay, and please, whenever the next webinar would be there, everyone please join the webinar. And next webinar is of Miss Anjali, so please don't forget to join if you are a PCB student. Okay. Okay, everyone.
Sir,
Okay, everyone. Yeah, someone.
can you also Gulf quota?
Sorry.
Gulf quota?
Yeah, Gulf quota is not there much now, I would say. Which college you're talking about? Tell me.
Sir, information about Gulf quota. What
Okay,
else
information
can-
about Gulf quota. Okay, look, I'll tell you. For IITs, there's a DASA quota is still there. Okay, but if you take the admission through the DASA quota, you need to pay almost double of the fee. Okay, so but it's not that earlier through SAT you will be sitting into NITs, but now it's not been there, right? Yeah, DASA quota is there, but through DASA quota, if you go, you need to pay almost double or triple of the fee that a normal student is paying. That said, that would be a problematic situation actually.
Sir, you said that what time is the next webinar, sir?
Next webinar, you will get the information on the WhatsApp group. Don't worry about that.
Sir, where
Sir,
does
SAT
information
exam,
and
you said-
communication technology have scope in the future?
Which can you repeat again?
Information and communication technology.
Information and communication technology. I would say there is not that much scope. Okay, if you go for information technology, right? IT, there is a lot of scope for IT, right? Now, definitely when you are talking about information and communication technology, it is like there are some subjects which are common in both the fields. Okay, but when a company comes to the hiring part, they give preference to IT. Okay, so then this your information and communication will come a bit lower as compared to IT. What about NRI quota in NITs?
Thank you, sir.
Can you post these slides on the WhatsApp group? Absolutely. We'll post these slides on WhatsApp group. Don't worry about that. And guys, basically I have understood that a lot of queries are there from the different exams. So we will make sure that whatever queries you have, okay, we will clear all of your queries. Okay, fine, everyone. Okay, so now I have to say bye-bye. I'm really sorry. I know there's a lot of questions are still pending, but yeah, support will definitely share this recording. Don't worry about that. I'll ask them to share that. Okay, don't worry. Okay, everyone. Bye-bye. Take care. See you, guys. Bye-bye, guys. Bye.